video I will show you how to create unlimited AI generated images without paying any money. So if you look at this image, these are the AI generated images. So you can create unlimited AI generated images without paying any money. So if you look at these videos, these photos, these are all AI generated images. So basically you can create unlimited AI generated images free without paying any money. So these are all AI generated images. So in this video I will show you how to create AI generated images without paying any money. Go to your Google Chrome and paste this link. I will provide this link in the description. You can go there and copy this and paste. Click on here. After complete loading, just click on here connected. You can see here connected. Click on connected. As you can see, it is showing connected. Now you need to click on here display button and click run. So it will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So just wait for a few minutes until it completes. After completed loading, you will see this type of link. It is running on local URL http 127 and then running on public URL. Just click on this public URL. Click on here. You will see this type of interface, and if you click on advanced, you will see here a lot of options like you can choose the performance of the image or speed. Here you can, for quality image you can click on quality, and for getting very quickly images you can click on extreme speed. So based on speed, AI will be, image will be generated. And you have here styles setting. You can choose a number of images here. Choosing a lot of images will take some time, so choose according to your preference. In styles you can choose your here styles. So here you can give your prompt and paste parameters what you want to create. So let us give a command here, a prompt, and we will finding with wild beer generate. Click on generate and wait for a few minutes. So in this way, give a complete prompt and it will generate AI images for you. So thanks for watching this video. Please like this video.